good morning. How are you doing? It's a Saturday morning, guys. It's a Saturday morning. I've just woken up. I've taken my breakfast. Now I want to do some cleaning. Today I have clothes to wash. I have to clean my house. I have to arrange my wardrobe. It's a messy. My wardrobe is a messy. I also have a sink to wash the utensils, guys. Just see. It's dirty, it's messy everywhere. So join me as we start the day. It's a Saturday morning. Actually, it's around 9:30. I don't know. Maybe 9:30 there. But let's start by... I normally start by washing the... I normally start by washing the house because sometimes I'm lazy. So I'll start by washing the house. Then I will... When I'm washing the house, once I reach the kitchen, I will wash the utensils as I prepare lunch so that I finish that one once and for all. And after I've done with the lunch and the utensils, I'll start mopping my living area, my sitting area. I'll wash my sitting area. Let me show you. So here is my sitting area. I'll wash my sitting area. Yeah, it's very dirty, very messy. I was not around, but today I'm around, so I'll start cleaning pole pole too. Pole pole too. I'll do the cleaning. Yeah. But for now, I want to start with the washing the house. Kupanguza nyumba. And then I'll start with my bedroom. So here is my bedroom. Don't worry about the books on the bed because I'm preparing my daughter for school. Monday is school, so she has to start preparing early. Yeah. And my wardrobe look like a mess, guys. I have to arrange the clothes. Yeah, I have to arrange the clothes, guys. It's a messy, 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 messy. As I've told you, I was not around, but I'm back, so bedroom, then washroom. I'll start cleaning the bedroom, then washroom, then I'll go to my kitchen. And when I'm into my kitchen, I will... Don't worry about my kitchen. It's very small, but I can manage. I'll start washing the utensil, preparing lunch. For lunch, I'm having githeri and some rice. Yeah. And avocado. Here's the avocado I came with from my dad's place, guys. I went to visit my dad. I'm happy. Yeah, so join me as I start washing my bedroom. So I'll start by putting the water in the bucket. So I'll start by mopping my bedroom and clean. Itapungua. Sinataka kufua manguo. Pegs eka inje. So I'm done with the sink, guys. Now let me wash my toilet. So I leave it like that, and then I'll come and clean it. I do a thorough cleaning. A thorough cleaning. Meanwhile, I'll leave it like that, and I'll close it and do some other things. Time for me to start washing my utensils. After that, start frying my githeri. My utensils clean, very clean, sparkling. Now time to prepare githeri. Go. Here's my githeri. It's still frozen, but itayeyuka tu pole pole. Pole pole. It was in the freezer. Naka block. Camera woman, come here. So guys, itayeyuka pole pole. We will come and check later when it's ready. When it's ready, guys. Yeah. Meanwhile, let me clean my living room. Pause. My lunch is ready. Just waiting to eat with some tea. That's my lunch. It's very ready. Ready, done the laundry. Now I want to go and fold my cloth. Here's a pile of clothes that I want to fold. Done, lot of them, guys. I won't show you. I'll show you after I've done, or I won't show you at all. So let's see what will happen next.